What's up, YouTube? Back for another install on the 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S650. Today, got a package for Revilla, and we are going to today install the throttle lock that I ordered from Revilla. I haven't opened the box up yet. Put my camera on here. Y'all can see me open the box up and everything. So, let's see what we got here. They always do pretty good packing. As always, some stickers. Some kind of $100 wine voucher. I never understand what that's all about. Packing slip. Throttle lock. The throttle lock is you can see it's the Kaoko, if I'm not mistaken, that's how I pronounce the name. Please forgive me, y'all, if I pronounce the name right, but I think that's the name of it. That's what we're gonna be installing today. Let's open it up real quick to see how it looks. I'll give you an idea how it looks. What it comes with. It is pretty, I'm not even gonna lie, it's pretty goddamn heavy. It has a good little bit of weight to it. So what I'm gonna do, let me get the camera set up over here on the bike. We'll go ahead and do an install. This should be a pretty quick one. Alright, y'all, we're ready to go ahead and get started with this. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take off the bar end that's originally on the bike first. So go ahead and get this off first. Okay. And we're gonna be using this screw to install the new one. Okay. We have two washers that come with this part for our bike. We have this washer, which this washer right here goes on first onto the bike. And then this one right here is going to be in between the actual throttle lock and this washer. Is basically how this is going to go. So let's install these real quick. Okay. And like I said, they want this washer, this thinner washer in between there. And then we have the throttle lock. And now it's on there. So now it's installed. On the videos, they show basically how it works is as you roll on the throttle, you roll this nut back and it tightens down onto the lock on there, and then you release it. To get it to work. That's how they show. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to complete this video right here. I'm actually going to go ahead and I want to do a video actually riding the bike and kind of showing y'all how, or at least have the bike crank, and a video showing y'all riding the bike and actually engaging it with my GoPro. So I just want to do this part of the video so far so y'all can actually how it goes on. Basically goes on like that. It's right there. This little screw right there, the Allen screw, is to basically help kind of tighten this up a little bit. See right there, a little too tight. I'll loosen it up a little bit. And that's it. Yeah, that's pretty good. And over time, you'll basically be using this to help, as this kind of wears, you'll be loosening that up, the Allen screw up a little bit just to help it as it wears. Like I said, right now I'm just in the video right here. Like I said, Monday, hopefully, when I get a chance to ride again, I'll go ahead and ride my GoPro, kind of give you an idea how this engages and disengages, and then I'll come back and finish out this video. Thanks. Alright everyone, to sum up everything basically, as you can see in the previous part of this video, I showed y'all with me on the bike actually operating the throttle lock. And as you can see, it works great. I have rode it to Daytona and used it most of the whole time down in those straight roads, and I'm going out to taking long rides. I use it a lot. It really helps rest the hand. So just want to let you know, overall, this is a great product. It's great to have on a bike. You see, it's easy to install. It's very easy to use on a bike. You can see through the video, like I live in Atlanta, so going up and down, those actually was a ride to me to work one morning. And as you can see, it's a lot of hills up in Atlanta on these interstates. So when I was on those flat areas, you did see the bike maintain the road, but those interstates, they go up and down a lot. That's why you see some parts of videos, the speed either decreasing or increasing. But it is so easy to make the adjustments with this thing on the fly. I mean, I can see if I can show real quick. You can see right now how it bounces back. But let's just say I'm holding the bike and I'm twisting this way to tighten it. You see it holds. This doesn't really move much. And once you tighten it like you need to, the throttle's not bouncing back. So you can literally just move the throttle however you need to, and it's staying there. And then as soon as you disengage it, you see it pops right back. So it's very easy to work, and it's very easy to, like I said, once you're on the interstate, once you've tightened it down, it's very easy to adjust the acceleration how you need to. And when you're ready, just pop it back off, and you're back to controlling it yourself. So I highly recommend the product, especially if you do long rides. It really helps give that right hand a break on the road and allow you to rest the right hand while you control the bike with your left. Because I know many of us probably already control the bike with our right hand and rest our left hand. Now you can do it with your right. But I want to come and finish up this video so y'all can actually see what this product is like. And yes, if you can, go out and buy one, pop it on your bike, and enjoy the nice cruise. Remember, it's not a cruise control. It just basically holds the speed. So that's why you have to do the adjustments, and it doesn't adjust itself from going up and down hills. So besides that, if you're on pretty much a straight ride or a straight road or not much hills, even with going up and down, like I said, once you level back out, it will adjust back to a normal speed. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Again, like always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.